Searching but not seeing, we call it dim. Listening but not hearing, we call it faint. Groping but not touching, we call it subtle. These three cannot be fully grasped. Therefore, they become one. Rising it is not bright, setting it is not dark. It moves all things back to where there is nothing. Meeting it there is no front, following it there is no back. Live in the ancient Tao, master the existing present, understand the source of all things. This is called the record of Tao. Let's break down each line of verse 14 from the Tao Te Ching and then discuss how we can apply its teachings in life. 1. Searching but not seeing, we call it dim. This line suggests that when we search for something but fail to see it clearly, we perceive it as obscure or dim. It speaks to the limitations of our perception and understanding. 2. Listening but not hearing, we call it faint. Similarly, when we listen but fail to truly hear or comprehend, we perceive the sound as faint or distant. This emphasizes the idea that mere sensory input does not necessarily lead to true understanding. 3. Groping but not touching, we call it subtle. When we attempt to touch or grasp something but cannot physically make contact, we perceive it as subtle or elusive. This line underscores the intangible nature of certain truths or realities. 4. These three cannot be fully grasped. Therefore they become one. Despite their individual characteristics, these aspects of perception and understanding are interconnected and ultimately inseparable. They represent different facets of the same underlying truth, which transcends our ability to fully comprehend it. 5. Rising it is not bright, setting it is not dark. This line suggests that the essence of this truth or reality does not conform to conventional notions of brightness or darkness. It exists beyond dualistic distinctions, such as light and dark, suggesting a state of neutrality or transcendence. 6. It moves all things back to where there is nothing. This implies that this fundamental truth or reality has the power to dissolve distinctions and return everything to a state of unity or nothingness, where dualistic concepts cease to apply. 7. Meeting it there is no front, following it there is no back. When one encounters this truth or reality, there is no concept of front or back, suggesting a state of equality or non-hierarchical existence. 8. Live in the ancient Tao, master the existing present, understand the source of all things. This line emphasizes the importance of aligning oneself with the Tao, the fundamental principle underlying the universe, mastering the present moment, and gaining understanding of the source of all things, which is often interpreted as the ultimate reality or truth. 9. This is called the record of Tao. The culmination of living in accordance with these principles is referred to as the record of Tao, suggesting an alignment with the fundamental truths of existence. In applying the values learned from this verse in life, one can strive to cultivate a deeper awareness and understanding beyond surface appearances. Embrace the interconnectedness of all things and recognize the limitations of dualistic thinking. Seek harmony with the natural order of the universe and the present moment. Cultivate a sense of humility in acknowledging the limits of human perception and understanding. Strive for unity and balance in all aspects of life, transcending dualistic distinctions. Live in alignment with fundamental truths and principles, aiming for harmony with the universe. Overall, the teachings of this verse encourage a perspective of openness, humility, and alignment with the natural order of existence, ultimately leading to a deeper understanding of the fundamental truths underlying life.